It is with great pleasure that I extend my heartfelt congratulations on you being chosen as one of the recipients of the 2024 Commerce Bank and W.T. Kemper Foundation Distinguished Graduate Faculty Award at K-State. As one of the recipients, this prestigious accolade stands as a testament to your exemplary dedication and effectiveness in the classroom, and your colleagues, an endorsement from your dean, and the selection by a distinguished panel of your peers. We are immensely grateful for the generous sponsorship that's provided today by Commerce Bank Shares and the W.T. Kemper Foundation, allowing us to present you with this letter and a check for $5,000. With a $5,000 honorarium. Oh, wow. Congratulations. Well deserved. Thank you. Thank you. That's fun.